Hi, so here's the Trainline app video. So basically, if you go to the App Store and you look for this icon, here you can see, I'll just try and zoom in a bit, Trainline. Once you've got that on the App Store, then download it, obviously install it. And here I'll make a quick video on roughly how to use it. So if I search using Spotlight, Trainline, so just drag up from the bottom, open up the app. And then here we can see right down in the bottom, there's the menu bar. So there's favourites. So there's Winchester London favourite. Here we've got the search bar, obviously for searching just times and prices. And then the main bit over here, my tickets. So under my tickets, really important, you've got here Falmouth and Reading. Once you've purchased these tickets, they are stored. So if we click on that, then it's brought up the prices, so you can see there's no rail card applied to this ticket price, so it's still quite expensive at £68 I think it is there. So let's go and see how we can get one of those installed. If we go to accounts at the bottom once again, and then if we look up a little bit higher, you can see rail cards. So what we need to do is click on rail cards, and then we need to find the perfect rail card for us. Here we are. So if we select the age, in my mum's case 16 to 17 should be just fine. We'll click on that, and then we could get a rail card applied, and that will give her a 20-30% discount. So hopefully that should be quite useful. I did that pretty quick, so I'm just going to run over it one more time. So if I just shut that down and kind of start it up again. So here we go. So we search under Spotlight. You bring that up by stroking up on my phone. There you go. So Trainline. Under Favourites, there was the Waterloo London line. Under Search at the bottom, you can search for the times and prices without having to buy any tickets. Once again, importantly, at the bottom, after you've chosen your desired route, you click on it, make the payment, and once again there's no rail card applied to that, so it is really quite expensive. Despite the rail card, it's really worth getting one. So and then once you've done all of that, if you go under the account section, you can apply the card that we're looking for. Okay, so here we go. So one of the best ones, obviously for senior citizens, mum, is what you're looking for, probably over 60s. Yeah, and that'll give you a 30% discount, I believe. I hope that's useful. So look out for the train card. I'll put this up on YouTube, so in case you want to pass it on to a friend or something. Okay, bye.